Hello, my name is Doris Villas. I am from Putumayo. I am 27 years old. I am single. I am nursing assistant. I am also studying accounting at United. I live in Puerto Leguizamo, and in my free time, I like to watch movies, go to Central Park, and then eat ice cream. The main tourist place in Puerto Leguizamo are visit the emblematic Ceiba trip or the town river wall in the boats finally for the Borona. The typical food in my town is the fish with quesadilla and farinha. The fish and quesadilla is pairs with butter, yuca, onion as main ingredients. The main celebration in my town are the Easter in April, otherwise the 20th of July and the Tribore November. People usually they go to church, dance, then are Paris and fairs. In my town, visitor can to cook, dance, go fishing, often go to the beach. Thank you.